Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for anyone dealing with taxes, real estate, or business in 2025. How to search for IRS tax liens. If you're buying property, checking your financial standing, or just curious, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, what's an IRS tax lien? It's a legal claim the IRS places on your assets when you owe back taxes. It's public record, so you can search for it, but let's get into how. To start, head over to the official IRS website. In 2025, they've made it even easier with updated tools. Go to irs.gov and look for the Tax Liens, or Public Records section. You'll need to create an account or log in for secure access. Once there, you can search by name, social security number, or even property details. Pro tip: make sure you have accurate information to get precise results. Next, don't forget about state and local records. IRS liens are federal, but they might be recorded at the county level. Use sites like USA.gov or your state's tax department website to cross-reference. For example, if you're in California, check the FTB, Franchise Tax Board, site. This step is key because liens can vary by jurisdiction. If you're dealing with more complex cases, consider using the PACER system for federal court records or third-party services like LexisNexis. These can provide deeper insights, but be cautious, they often come with fees. Always verify information from multiple sources to avoid errors. One important thing: privacy laws have tightened in 2025, so only search for liens you're authorized to view. If you're unsure, consult a tax professional. That way, you stay compliant and informed. There you have it. A straightforward guide to searching IRS tax liens in 2025. Whether you're protecting your investments or settling debts, this knowledge is empowering. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.